Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how to improve the camera performance and prevent overheating on the OnePlus 10 Pro. And I guess it's pretty much the same with the OnePlus 9, 10, 11, 12, whatsoever. When you look into the history for camera problems on the OnePlus, you find them almost with every version of OnePlus. So it looks like they have some general performance issue and overheating issues. So what can we do, especially if you want to shoot some longer videos? How can we do that on the OnePlus phone? There are a couple of things which you can do. So luckily it's not completely hopeless. So here we have the camera. So what you can do here is, of course, in the video settings, you have to go to video and then you hit these three dots. And what I highly recommend is to use only 30 FPS, unfortunately, but it definitely helps. And also use some lower resolution, not 4K, but 1080p. And definitely disable the AI support, no matter if it's just making photographs or videos. For the AI, some additional CPU power is needed. So when we want to keep it cool, avoid the AI. Also, I would highly recommend to not use the ultra steady. I mean, it can look very, very nice, but it consumes also additional CPU power. And of course, we don't have to use this app, because this camera app, when you're recording videos, after 2 minutes, it will say that it will turn down the brightness to extend the recording time, and then a little bit later it will completely turn off, and after 5 minutes usually the video camera will stop completely, even on the low 1080p with only 30 frames. So what can we do? We can use, for example, other camera apps. Here I have one. You can see the app info. That's the Gcam camera. And it's a little bit more simple. Yeah, it is. I wished it would have a little bit more options and less ads. You can see every time when you open it, it shows you some ads. As far as I can see, there's no premium option. And I wished it would be easier to see what's the photo option and what's the video option. But that's actually the video option. Here you have the photo option, but it doesn't say anything. Here we have the video option, and I've been trying to record for longer time, and it definitely worked even beyond 5 minutes, and it didn't do some crazy overheating. We have some basic settings. We don't have everything what we have with the normal camera, of course. That's not possible, especially not regarding zooming and stabilization, but we have some basic functions here also regarding stabilization. Can't remember where we have it. I think it's in the video settings. Yeah, here we have it, enable digital video stabilization. So then we have a little bit of stabilization, not exactly the same thing as with the normal main camera, but we have it, and we can record for very long time. It won't dim the screen after 2 minutes and totally stop after 5 minutes. So that's very, very helpful. But of course there are some other tricks. What I highly recommend is, if you want to use especially the main camera, go to long press on the camera icon and then press on the info. And so here we have some storage usage, and what I highly recommend is to clear the cache, especially when you want to do a longer shooting or you are really experiencing some lags and extreme overheating. I've done this already and it really improved the speed of the camera. It's incredible what it did. Then of course you can always go to the task manager and close all the tasks. That's the thing down here. Of course I can't click on that, otherwise it will stop the screen recording, but it's highly recommended before you start using the camera, close all the current apps which are running in the background. Then of course also make sure that you have enough storage on your phone itself. I mean, here out of 128 gigabytes I have 46 gigabytes left. That's definitely no problem, but some people have it very, very low, maybe even below 1 gigabyte, and then it can be also an additional issue. I would say these are the main things, or the most helpful things you can use. Of course, there are also some other small things which you can use to improve, but these were the things which helped me a lot, and I hope they will help you too. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.